Good morning, this is Elsie Kerns, and it's your Sunday morning 10-minute meditation. So let's begin with the May I 1-minute meditation, and let's bring our palms together in front of the heart and take your palms up and place them on the top of the crown, connecting in with the universe, with Great Spirit and the divine. We're opening up that connection, reminding ourselves it's really always there. Our thumbs come right between the eyebrows here, right on the forehead. And from this center, we have our seeing and hearing. And in our high sense perception, we have clairvoyance, seeing, and clairaudience. Off the lips, we have communication, speaking, and at the heart, of course, we connect in with the community. So we're going to use each of these centers with the request, may I, back at the crown, may I know the truth. At the forehead, may I see and hear the truth. Off the lips, may I speak the truth. Back down to the heart, may I speak the truth through my heart to all humanity. So you can practice this 1-minute meditation anytime. And it's very calming. And again, bringing in the truth, seeing it, hearing it, speaking it from your heart. The next thing we want to do is bring another connection that will calm us. So we're going to take that 3-point connection, thumb, index finger, middle finger, and we're going to put it right in that notch here at the throat. So this connects us to a calming point to calm down that fight or flight. We're going to take our other hand and just put it over the navel area. In this area, there are some points that calm and support the adrenals. This is wonderful to do before you go to sleep at night. It's very calming and very easy. And we're just holding this for about 2 minutes. You can add to this calming by bringing one hand right to the sides of the temple, breathing in, and just letting go. Now you're going to switch things. Bring that 3-finger notch on your left hand and bring your right hand up over the temple. And again, just rhythmically breathing in and out, easily, calmly. This is, again, very calming and wonderful when you get ready to go to bed at night. Now, let's bring one hand back over the heart and the other hand back down to the pelvic area, just a little bit below the navel. And here, we're connecting the heart center with the pelvic center. So that center down at our pelvis works with our creativity. From this center, we birth life, and equally important, we birth our creativity into this earth dimension. So from this second center across the pelvic area, is a place also of self-love, self-acceptance, nurturing ourself. And from the connection at the heart, we nurture others, we love others, we reach out. So the challenge and the balance between these two areas is, can we hold our own creativity, our own self-love, self-acceptance, love others from the heart, but not lose ourself. So again, it's that connection between the pelvis and the heart. Self-love, self-acceptance, nurturing ourselves, bringing forth our creativity from that second center, and from the heart, loving others. Balancing, can we love ourselves and love others without losing ourselves? Great lessons that we learn throughout our life. So just bring the other hand, one hand over the other again at the heart, and breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in new ideas, breathing in the power of love, and exhaling, releasing fear, doubt, anxiety. Again, breathing in through the heart, the enormous power of love. Gently exhaling fear, doubt, anxiety. And one more time, breathing into the heart center, the power of love, support, nurturing ourselves. And breathing out, whatever is not aligned with our heart at this time. So close your eyes for a moment and just consider if there's anything that isn't aligned with your heart right now. Remember, we're going through a tremendous shift here on the planet. Everything is changing. So if there's anything not truly aligned for you, just breathe it out and let it go. Now, keeping one hand on the heart, bring the other hand up over the forehead. This is another place here, holding the forehead, where we can calm that fight or flight. And here we're connecting the head and the heart. Remembering that famous Native American proverb that reminds us the longest journey we will ever take in this lifetime is from our head to our heart. Feel your arms and hands. Feel your legs and feet. Place your palms face down on your thighs. And again, feel your feet, feel your legs. Feel that pelvis and your torso, your arms and hands. Feel that connection to your human body. And allow your feet to sink in Imagine they're sinking in to the core of the earth for support. There's like a shelf below our feet in the earth that again holds us and supports us. So just imagine that we sink in to that earth's grounding support. And now with our intention and attention, let us remember that we are light beings. We are electrical. So let us, again, close our eyes and just breathe in to every cell of the body the light energy of the universe around us, both here on planet Earth, from the heavens above, lighting up every single cell with light, health, vitality. We're using our intention, attention, and imagination. And as we do that, holding one hand again over the other at the heart, letting ourselves know that just as we are in this moment in time is perfect. And now let us open our palms and let us receive and invite the abundance of the earth and the universe, combining all of the endless energy of the cosmos to receive abundance, abundance of health, wealth, love, relationships, vitality, and a sense of serenity, peace, and calm. And let us carry this open receptiveness to receiving abundance in all areas of our life, everywhere we go. Bring one hand over the other, again at the heart center. Close your eyes and just breathe in and breathe out as you just let go. Let your shoulders drop. And take the next few minutes to just be with yourself for self-care, self-love. And knowing that everything in this moment is just as it should be. Stay with this for a few moments. This is Elsie Kerns, your Chaos to Clarity coach, wishing you a wonderful day and fabulous week ahead as we enter June of 2020. And I will see you next week.